Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Starlink Residential versus Residential Lite in 2026, including speed, pricing, and which one is actually the best choice for you. Now, both plans look similar, but the real difference comes down to the performance and the priority. So let's break it down in today's video. So first of all, let's understand the basic differences between these two plans. So first of all, both the plans use the same Starlink satellite network and comes with unlimited data. The key difference is network priority. Residential is going to get higher priority while residential light is deprioritized during the busy times. When it comes to pricing, residential light is going to cost you around $80 per month. The residential plan is going to cost you $120 per month. So light plan is about $40 cheaper every single month. That makes it budget friendly option. Now, when it comes to speed, the difference is evident. The residential speed is around 150 to 250 Mbps, whereas the residential light speeds around 50 to 100 Mbps. In real world usage, light can slow down more during the peak hours because of the lower priority, while residential stays more stable. Now, when it comes to the performance in real life during busy hours like evenings, residential keeps more consistent speeds, whereas residential light may drop significantly. Now, both the plans comes with unlimited data, no contracts, and the same Starlink satellite technology. The equipment cost is usually around $349 one time, depending on the region. So the real question here is which plan should you choose? So you can choose residential light only if you want to save money and you have basic internet use like browsing and streaming. You can go with the residential plan if you need stable speeds all the time, or if you do gaming, work from home, and heavy streaming. So if this video helped you understand these two plans better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.